got something for DK for his birthday. Hi guys, welcome to this vlog. So I could not say anything yesterday when we were done cleaning and everything. I was so tired. So I could not. In fact, I forgot to actually talk to you guys. Anyways, today is Sunday and I woke up very early. I have finished making lunch, the usual rice. So we're already ready for church. DK is wearing his allergy clothes. He's almost getting too big for this clothes, so I want him to wear it. I don't even want this outfit like up to 5 times. He doesn't even want it up to 5 times. Anyways, so that's what I want to tell you guys. Welcome to this vlog. So today, once we are back, we'll eat. Stop now, this boy. So once we are back, we're going to be going out. I'm going to take you guys along with me. We're actually just going to go and see a family friend. Yeah, so it's not an outing to a restaurant or anywhere. Oh my god, excuse me, hold on. See how I'm glowing. It's no makeup, you guys. I just did my full step skincare routine yesterday night. No, yesterday afternoon when we were done cleaning, and my face is just popping. See my nose, no trace of what are they even calling it, black hair, all these tiny pimple on the nose. I mean, who wants a skincare routine? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you. So I'll see you guys.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something
Hi guys, so we are back from church. It's been like a few hours. See, my eyes are so weak because see this outing, I just don't want anymore. I just want to lie down on this bed and sleep. Anyways, we are all ready. You guys, I'm abusing this wig, but I don't care at this point because this wig is life. I mean, check that. Anyways, we are ready to leave the house. Let Let me just do a little OOTD for you guys. What I'm wearing. See, I don't know what to pair this gown with. I don't know what to pair this dress with. Seriously. Wait, with Facebook. Let me show you guys. I might be wearing just flats, sandals, or I don't know. But let me just show you guys what I'm wearing. So my outfit is from Earthy Fittings on Instagram. You can check her out. She makes nice outfits. Any design you want, she got you. Okay. Anyways, that's that about this update. I don't know if I'll vlog if we go out, depending on probably saying that I might actually jump into a birthday party, but I'm not really sure. Because seriously, I'm supposed to go and see family friend. That was the plan. I'll get back because there's school tomorrow and our schedule have just changed totally. Anyways, I'm rambling. Let's get this day going. See this lighting from here. I'm a fine girl though. I don't know what this lighting is doing. Excuse you. I'll see you guys. So you guys, I went for a second opinion and I'm wearing a heel. So I'm wearing a heel. You see the full fit? Let's get this party started. Hi guys, so we are back. Came back like few minutes or few hours ago, like an hour ago, let me just say. So DK slept off in the car and tomorrow school is almost okay, it's already after 11. We got here by to 10, I think, few minutes to 10 actually. So I had to freshen up because I couldn't take it. But once if I bathe this boy this night, he's not going to sleep till maybe 1 or 12 or 2. So I don't want that. I'll just allow him to sleep and I'm just going to go straight to bed now because tomorrow is Monday. I have to get up on time and pack his meal, take him to school because we now have a routine. Guys, adjusting to, usually we used to sleep late. I sleep by 1, 2. I watch movie till 1, 2 and wake up by 8, 9 or 9, 10 depending on the mood. Okay, so anyways, I'm loving the changes so far. It makes me to be up and doing, so yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying watching this vlog so far. And if you have watched this, please subscribe, baby darling. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? And we're going to get rid of this mess on my hair. Like, I want to this week. I have to take care of myself, my hair, my toenails. In fact, full pedicure and manicure. Anyways, good night.
off in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you
Guys, so we're here to pick Dickie. I'm already done from the salon. Stop now. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Dickie, say hi. See the camera here. See who I'm talking to. Anyways, I got something for DK for his birthday, and we're going to show him today as we go inside.
Listen to his
He's already
birthday.
outside. Can you guys? No, he's going to see it. So where are we going to go and hide it?
Inside the toilet.
It's not possible. There's no need for that. So
I'm going to leave that remote for braids.
I don't think the remote will do. He's supposed to.
They're supposed to give him braids.
He just has to be turning the steering so that he will be moving the right way. Do you understand?
I'm going to be his giant.
Or you just help him and turn the tire. Then you tell him to step on the,
Okay.
like to turn the steering.
Let's move back and now step on this. Step on it. No, use the leg. Wait. And now. Four. Then now.
Hi guys. So DK has seen his gift and he's very tired actually. You not gonna sleep, this boy. You guys, I'll see you guys later. Okay? Peace. You guys, DK has refused to come out of this thing. DK, you not gonna sleep. Hey! Pee! Hi guys, so I'm done with my hair. See, don't look at this here. You're seeing. Don't look at this forehead. Just look at my hair, okay? Thank you. So what? Why look at me? Anyways, eh? No. So why are you looking at it? Anyways, what do you guys think about this hair? This one is till October ending. If I remove this hair. New hair. just wish that my hair just came out smooth. Like maybe my hairline just go to this place. I'll do. Hey guys, good morning. I just dropped DK off in school. DK cried this week. Actually, I'm going to insert a clip where he was crying.
Okay, let's go.
Why are you running today? DK. Hey yo. Take your sweet and go. Today, since last week, you did not do this one. Let's go. Let's go. What's crying?
You're a big boy. Okay, want to see Mr. Fajan?
I should follow you.
No, don't worry, I will tell him.
He cried on Tuesday, Wednesday, today's Thursday. He cried today. He didn't cry on Monday. Anyways, I don't know why my voice. Anyway, yeah. I have a cold. I just came here to end this vlog. Thank you so much, you guys, for the love on my last vlog. Like, it meant a lot. All the encouragement, everything. Thank you. So I was thinking of doing DK's photo shoot as in filming it and adding it in this vlog, but there's no time. So we're going to do it on Saturday. So you guys are going to be expecting all of the birthday shenanigans inside the next vlog. Okay. Okay, so how many of you like my braid? Forget this thing. It's my forehead even too much. See, I've come to embrace this forehead and nobody can tell me anything. I've always had this braid. It was gifted to me by my sister-in-law and it still remains safe. I'll use it again. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye guys. Peace.